Hello everyone. In this video I will show you how to connect the GameSir G7 SE controller to a PC. The GameSir G7 SE comes with a USB 2.0 cable that has two different ends. One side is a USB-C connector and the other side is a USB-A connector. This cable is used to connect the controller directly to your computer. Start by taking the USB-C end of the cable. This is the smaller connector. Firmly connect the USB-C end to the top port of the GameSir G7 SE controller. Make sure it is fully inserted. If it does not seem fully connected, apply a little pressure to make sure the cable is properly seated in the port. A loose connection may prevent the controller from working. Once the USB-C end is connected, plug the USB-A end into an available USB port on your PC. After you connect it, your computer should automatically detect the controller. In most cases, Windows will install the required drivers automatically in the background. After a few seconds, the controller should be ready to use. You can test it in your games or in the Windows controller settings to make sure all buttons and sticks are working correctly. If you want more control over the controller settings, you can install the official software. Open the Microsoft Store on your PC and search for the GameSir Nexus app. Download and install the GameSir Nexus app. This app allows you to customize buttons, adjust stick sensitivity, change trigger settings, and update the controller firmware. It is a useful tool if you want to fine-tune the controller for different games. Thanks for watching.